Welcome to another book haul. Nothing makes me happier than the moment I hold the new much cherished book in my hands. These days I mostly read on my Kindle, but the joy of reading physical books is unparalleled. Stay tuned for the latest editions in my book collection. Hello everyone, I am Shalu. Welcome to my channel where I post books related videos. As I mentioned before, today's video is a book haul video where I will show you the newest additions to my bookshelf. So without further ado, let's get started. The first book is Club You to Death by Anuja Chauhan. I love Anuja Chauhan's writing style. Her books are such laugh riot. So when I came to know that Anuja is coming up with a new book, I immediately pre-ordered it almost a month prior to the book release. But to my disappointment, even after a week of book release, the book wasn't shipped by Amazon. Finally, I cancelled it and placed a new order. And this time I got the book within 2 days. Lesson learned, no more pre-ordering books. Now coming to the book. Anuja Chauhan's books are known for their laugh out loud humor and sizzling romance. But this time we have the additional element of suspense. A personal trainer is found dead at a posh Delhi club on the eve of club elections. At first it seems like a freak accident, but soon it becomes clear that it is a murder. I have already read this book. It is a decent read, but I am a bit disappointed as it is not as good as Anuja Chauhan's previous books. The next book is The Hobbit by J.R.R. Tolkien. Last month I won The Lord of the Rings in a giveaway organized by Asha from the channel The Bad Book Thief. The Hobbit is the prequel to The Lord of the Rings and I wanted to read the books in the same order, and that is the reason I bought it. This is a highly acclaimed and popular fantasy novel which follows the adventures of Bilbo Baggins in the Middle-earth. The next book is Big Little Lies by Liane Moriarty. This engaging novel has been adapted into an award-winning television series. It is the story of 3 women who seem to have it all. Perfect homes, perfect families, and perfect lives. But this is far from the case. Each has a dark, closely guarded secret. This engaging novel is full of murder and mystery. I love reading mysteries and thrillers, and so this seems to be the perfect book for me. The next book is Persepolis by Marjane Satrapi. Persepolis is an autobiographical graphic novel by Marjane Satrapi. It talks about the author's childhood and early adult years in Iran and Austria during and after Islamic Revolution. I have heard such good reviews about the book that I am really intrigued. Also, this is a graphic novel and this is my first graphic novel, so I am really excited to read it. The next book is Sapiens, A Brief History of Mankind by Yuval Noah Harari. I won this book in a giveaway organized by Mugdha in association with Buy a Book. This book is a bestseller and talks about the whole of human history. I refrained from reading this book till now because I wasn't sure that I would find it interesting. But the rave reviews were too hard to ignore. So when Mugdha asked me to name a book as the giveaway prize, I chose Sapiens. Thank you Mugdha and Buy a Book for this lovely book. The next book is Such a Fun Age by Tylee Reed. I got second time lucky by winning this book in a giveaway organized by Chitra in association with Bloomsbury, India. The book tells the story of a young black woman who is wrongly accused of kidnapping while babysitting the white child. The premise of the story is quite interesting and I can't wait to read it. Thank you Chitra and Bloomsbury, India for this lovely book. The next book is The Ventilator Project by Shrikant Shastri and Amitabh Bandyopadhyay. I received this review copy from Pan Macmillan, India. Last year, a nationwide lockdown was imposed due to COVID-19 pandemic. Amid the increasing number of cases, hospitals faced an acute shortage of ventilators. This book tells the incredible story of how the IIT Kanpur consortium built a world-class ventilator within 90 days. Thank you Pan Macmillan India for this review copy. The next book is Piranesi by Susanna Clarke. This beautiful hardcover was gifted to me by one of my subscribers, Navneet. Navneet is an avid reader and she is full of praise for this book, so I am sure that the book is a really good one. The book follows the story of Piranesi, who is trapped inside a watery labyrinth. He thinks that he is living there all alone till some signs show otherwise. The blurb of the book seems quite interesting and I can't wait to read it. Thank you Navneet for this beautiful book. The next book is Brand New Start by Mayank Dhar. I received this review copy from the author. I've already read this book. It is a refreshing and insightful intake on personal branding. I will recommend this book to freshers who are just starting their career or professionals who are striving to further their career prospects. The next book is Madame Bovary by Gustave Flaubert. This is a much acclaimed classic. It is the story of an unhappy middle-class French housewife. When it was first published, the book created quite an uproar as it has adultery as its theme. I won this book in a giveaway organized by Maple Press. The next book is The Strokes of Solitude by Dr. Ritu Kamra Kumar. I received this review copy from the author. It is a collection of the author's write-ups and articles in various newspapers like Hindustan Times, The Tribune, etc. And the last book is Day Turns Dark by Sunil Sinha Gora. I received this review copy from the author. It is a story about young love, heartbreak, and moving on. The blurb of the book says, "Hearts are meant to be broken, but can they forge new relationships?" I am intrigued to read the author's take on this. So that's all for today's book haul. Have you read any of these books? If yes, do share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you have enjoyed this video, please like, comment and share. And if you want to see more bookish content like this, please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Until my next video, bye and take care.